Hi, my name is Jason. I've been a student of Emeka's from before he launched his very first course. I'd found some of his videos on YouTube. They were inspiring, entertaining, and also contained some practical, easy to implement information. Based on all of this, when he launched his first course, my self-publishing blueprint, it was a no-brainer. I invested in the course, and in the very first 3 months after making that investment, I launched 4 books. Those 4 books in those 3 months had more than quadrupled my initial investment. Now, the breakthrough for me was the combination of the real-world, practical, easy-to-implement steps with the support of the members-only group. These 2 factors assisted me to get to what I considered a breakthrough point in my publishing business. Now, since then, I've noticed that a good number of Emeka's students have gone on to far exceed any of their financial expectations. More recently for me, my wife has also been getting into the publishing game. It's some very exciting times.